another video. Today's Sunday the 14th of June and it's 10:46 a.m. Temperature outside is 13 degrees and today we're going to one of Belfast's oldest cemeteries, the Shankill Cemetery, closed in 1846 to transfer the burials sites to Milltown Cemetery and Belfast City Cemetery. So let's head down and have a wee look. Some of these graves are really old, 1700s, and I think the oldest one is 1600 and something. Some of the graves here are, you can see that they exceed the date of 1861, but they're just memorials. So any of the they stopped burying people here in the August 1861 and moved it to the Belfast City Cemetery. This is a burial place that found a member of the Belfast Telegraph. It's also a place where the memorial for the 15th, 16th of August, or is it April 1941, which was one of the biggest which was the biggest blitz on Northern Ireland and Belfast City. Basically restructuring the entire area of the Shankill, New Lodge, Sailors Town, Harlan and Wolf as one of the economic hubs. So between 900 and 1,000 people lost their lives. 100,000 were made homeless, and it was overwhelmed with the hospitals and the mortuaries as well. They had to open up St George's Market as one of the mortuaries. There is no footprint too small that cannot leave an imprint on this world. This bench is in memory of all those babies who are no longer with us. In memory of all our people who suffered as a result of enemy action, 15th to 16th of April 1941, the darkest night. Again, where between 900 and 1,000 people lost their lives. Now here's an old one. Laid to rest in this ancient graveyard, Corporal Smith, 16th of June 1690, of Captain Coote's troops, by the Very Reverend Roland Davis LLD, Dean of Ross, Chaplain to the Williamites Calvary, dedicated on the 12th of July 2015 by the Reverend Dr. William J. Malcolmson. In memory of all those who died during the Great Famine, 1845 to 1851. So the graveyard, Shankill Road Graveyard, is now called the Shankill Rest Garden, where it has been transformed into an open space. But it's still got the significance right along the whole perimeter wall of the garden. And to be honest with you, I think it's an amazing place to come and see. There's some wee bit of work needs done there. That needs to be sorted out there. Oh, there's a wee squirrel on the wall. Oh, that's fast. That was fast. So it's one of the main roads, one of the main artery roads in Belfast. There's some peacefulness still in this wee place here. It's a beautiful, beautiful place. And I just hope that the locals sort of realise what they've got on their doorstep, and I hope the younger ones don't. I hope they don't sort of misuse it. You know, as you do get quite a lot of people sort of in different areas doing these sort of things, misuse. No, most certainly this is definitely very, very, very well maintained. It's an amazing concept of an old disused graveyard, how they can keep it in tradition as a graveyard, but do this so the public can still remember the dead, and remember remember as it was. And it's absolutely amazing. Oh, look at this. This is nice. Yeah. Even the trees look amazing. Look at that, the shape of them, and wow, that is. It's just great. There's the wee robin. So folks, that's a Shankill graveyard, now known as the Shankill Resting Garden. I hope you've enjoyed the video as much as I've enjoyed making it, and maybe the next one we can do is the Friars Graveyard in Stranmillis, which is only opened on request for visits. But thanks for watching, and hopefully get you in the next video. If you like the video, if you find it interesting, please like, share, comment, and if you already haven't done so, subscribe, and get your friends to subscribe as well. So thanks for watching, and until the next one, see you then. Bye.